Well, this video may be a couple of days late, but I finally got the Apple Watch Series 7 and I got the green, the aluminum green with the green leather. I think it's called Sequoia Green or probably something like that, the leather link. And yes, I'm excited to be opening it and I'll share with you the first looks and of course my first initial impressions. But now, let's do the unboxing first. Okay, there you have it, the Apple Watch Series 7 in aluminum green. First impressions is that it really looks quite dark from certain angles. Not the kind of light green that you'll probably expect, but it's kind of like a green at this particular angle, and then when you catch it from afar, it looks like it's a bit of a matte black. I would say the initial impression is that, well, it's a nice color, but I'm not sure. I'm still a stainless steel kind of a watch guy. So you can see my Series 4 here is a stainless steel look. I still kind of like this kind of finish on the watch, but of course I've owned a couple of aluminum watches before, but this is a different kind of a look to it. So if you like something that is unique, this green is unique to the Series 7. I believe the Series 6 had the blue aluminum watches. So if you are coming from a Series 6 and you want something that is a special color, then of course the aluminum green will be something for you to consider. But on first impression, I probably need to get it synchronized to see how the screen will look like. But at this moment, it looks and feels exactly the same as my Series 4. So in terms of the screen size, that will probably be different, but now I can't really see it. But physically, it's still the same feel and look that I have. Of course, the stainless steel on my Series 4 is different, which I kind of like that more. So I'm actually going to be considering the stainless steel gold on the Series 7 coming from a Series 4. But now I'm just trying to get this Series 7 aluminum green to do a quick look, as this is a special color for the Series 7. And yeah, that's kind of how it looks like now. And well, the 45 millimeter screen size, when you compare to the 44 on the Series 4 that I have, or even the Series 6, doesn't seem to be much of a difference, but I guess when I start using it, then it'll probably show the difference. So at this moment, the leather link really is my first experience with a leather link. I had the other leather links before, but this kind of like, it feels good. I think it feels very, the way it claps together is very sturdy, and I like the fact that it can adjust to specific detail of or the specific size that you want using these leather links, and it does really look quite nice in my opinion. But whether you want to have a brown with a black watch or something, there are tons of them to choose from, but at this moment I think this green definitely fits the look of the green aluminum watch. So if you're coming from a Series 4 like myself, definitely you will get a couple of upgrades. faster chip inside, then going from 44 to 45 mm. But importantly, you get the blood oxygen sensor in the Series 6 onwards, and of course in the Series 7. But if you're coming from a Series 6, then there isn't much difference. In fact, there are only two key changes in my opinion, which is the bigger screen size from 44 to 45 mm, and of course faster charging. So if you're someone who wants to be able to charge, I think it's about 33% or 30% faster in terms of charging. So if you want to be able to charge your watch faster, so for example, if you like to wear a watch to sleep, at night to track your sleep, sleep tracking purposes, so you could get the Series 7, but you need to couple it with the fast charger that they provided with the Series 7. So you can't use your Series 6 charger, the charging cable, and expect faster charging. You have to get the new Series 7 charging cable. Then you can experience the faster charging, which may be helpful for a lot of people. But for me, generally I charge at night. I don't wear my watch to sleep, so I'm fine without being a fast charger. But for some people who just want to juice it up, giving a half an hour charge and can get it up to probably 80%, and that will be something useful for you. So in a nutshell, that's a quick review and unboxing from me. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you continue to like, subscribe, and hit that notification button. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.